The society values people who adds value to the society. The skills that a person possesses has benefits attached to it for himself and for others. It is the benefit that he provides to other people tempts society to pay him back. For example, a doctor having the skills of medicine adds tremendous value to himself through his skills of identifying and curing the diseases of people. A civil engineer helps people and governments to build infrastructures. A teacher builds the knowledge of his students. A sports person or a film star provides entertainment to the people. We are trained from our childhood to become someone who could contribute something so that we could get back from the society something in exchange, which is generally expressed in monetary terms. In order to add quality value to the society, we need to be specialized or expert in a particular area. Expertise can be developed only with the use of focus. Focusing on one thing for a reasonable period of time is the necessity to become expert and add quality value to the society. In his book, Awaken the Giant Within, motivational guru Anthony Robbins writes, most people have no idea of the giant capacity we can immediately command when we focus all of our resources on mastering a single area of our lives. Even Howard Gardner, renowned author of the theory of multiple intelligences, values the attainment of a single expertise. He calls it a disciplined mind and explains 4 steps to achieve one. Number 1, identify an important topic or concept. Number 2, study it deeply over a significant period of time using various examples and modes of analysis. Number 3, approach the subject in a variety of ways and form various perspectives. And number 4, and give performances and presentations to show true and deep understanding. There is one good thing that God has gifted everyone equally, which is time. Hence, one must understand that people who would use this precious gift most wisely is going to become a man of value to the society. All the successful people of the world use their time for a single set of activity to become master of it, and hence we are remembered for it. A half horse is nothing more than a no horse. Because of this reason, 1 among billion achieve success, because they have the perseverance to keep refining in one particular area. The great boxing champion Muhammad Ali knew, and he said that he is the best in the world. Believing is just a step towards achieving greatness. He followed it up with his whole youth and dedicates to learning boxing, practicing more than anyone else in the world. He knew there are no shortcuts, that he must spend more time in one particular area to become the best in the world. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.